I like to cover what I hope is relevant for you by way of recalls. Some of you get that letter in the mail and you just throw it in the garbage. We haven't brought up Tesla because Tesla mafia, you think you're bulletproof. They have had their fair share of recalls. Of course, a recall constitutes something safety-wise. They're not talking about an odor in your cab, although some of you wish that was a recall. I mean, if it's fuel odor, that could be possibly a recall. Your Uncle Louie smoking in the back. You don't want a thing to blow up. Louie, put that cigarette out. Why is it always Uncle Louie's lights up?
I don't honestly know, but I'm not letting him light up a cigarette in my Tesla.
in your car, period.
No, that's the bougie car, man.
Yeah. Well, listen, Tesla's recalling about 8,000 of these Model Ys. You have another problem. Of course, you guys remember, some of you do. I know all you Tesla drivers know about this. They had a problem with the handles.
Is that the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration will be probing Tesla over the fantastic story with the autos team on Tesla car doors, the Model Y to be specific, not opening if there's a power outage.
There was a recall, 180,000 or so. Those had been an ongoing issue, but this recall announced within the last 24 hours covers failure that may result in the loss of drive power. That's bad.
Yeah.
I mean, if you ain't driving.
You're on the freeway, it's just, you feel a power down and it's like,
that's the worst.
No.
We talk about all the time. We feel like we lose control.
Yeah.
We just lose control. That's the worst. I mean, that's like a roller coaster. That thing is stuck on the hump up there. It just I don't know if the operator's messing with you.
Or you're getting on the on-ramp and you lose power going up.
Yeah. Like, I need
like,
the power
that's
right
terrifying.
now. Hey, you ever been behind a roller coaster thing and it just stopped mid-ride?
Yes, I have.
Like on the humpity hump?
Yep, and it is terrifying.
You're up there. See, I'm scared of heights.
Oh, same.
My wife laughs at me, but I'm starting to throw up.
Weird thing is, I can do water slides. I can't do roller coasters.
Okay.
I don't know if it's because of the speed, if it's because of the height, if it's because of that little loop-de-loop they got you going on. I just can't. I won't do roller coasters.
Get over to the state fair. I eat all that bad popcorn. I get on my daughter. She's, Dad, come with me on the roller coaster. Or even the Ferris wheel. Here's a grown man. He just had 15 pounds of popcorn and the funky corn dog they make. You put corn dog in anything. You eat that. You got a little belly going. And your daughter's like, get on over here. Get on this Ferris. If I figured Ferris wheel, like retirement people would
The Ferris wheel I get.
Like, Ferris wheel is just easy.
Oh, yeah.
Not me. I get to about 9 o'clock, right? Just, right? Not 12.
Yeah.
If I get 12 o'clock, forget it.
You're like, nope, I got my eyes closed. I'm praying to God.
She says, Dad, look out there at the horizon. It's beautiful out there.
Mm-hmm.
Honey, get us down, please. But that's what it feels like to you when you lose control of whatever machinery you're behind. Model Y crossovers, they got about 8,000 of these. They're recalling them. Small part of the population. But I know a lot of you drive the Model Y.
Mm-hmm.
And this is set to, you guys will be notified December 9th. They got to prepare all of